Hello everyone, welcome back to Drip Drives. Today let's go for a quick test drive in this 2022 Lexus ES350 F Sport. Really nice interior, seats are super comfortable. Everything just feels super nice in here materials wise. You have the awesome gauge cluster that Lexus has. You have the touchpad and the touch screen as well. Touchpad is pretty clunky. That's one of the biggest demerits of Lexus interiors, as we all know. Screen looks pretty outdated, but at least it's a bigger screen. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here's your Lexus clock. You have the Mark Levinson sound system. Nice door handles. Beautiful leather wrap steering wheel. The seats have F Sport embroidered. This has 302 horsepower, 3.5 liter V6, 267 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, everything just feels really great in here. You have a heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats. So yeah, nice car right here. And I put it in sport mode for the test drive. And you have a head-up display too. Damn, this thing accelerates pretty quickly. Very seamless acceleration there. I like that. Steering is very nicely weighted. What I mean is, it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It just feels perfect. I gotta say, Lexus makes some really high quality interiors, even high quality cars in general. It's just really nice materials in this thing. It just feels so good. Yeah, this isn't Speed Demon or anything, but it's nice. Like, nice acceleration. 320 horsepower is not bad at all. And obviously Lexus, we all know its reliability. Really nice reliability. Very well-built cars. So you know you're never gonna have an issue there with anything. At least nothing major. I love that gauge. It's just like the LC500. I mean, the LFA. Such an amazing gauge cluster. I love it. Yeah, I like this car. It's just a really nice cruising vehicle. And the seats are amazing. Great lateral support. Headrest is really soft. Love that. What the hell is this guy doing? But yeah, really nice car. Yeah, let's go for a quick walk around of this vehicle. Nice red color. It's a deep red. Nice daytime running lights. Nice black wheels. Here's your rear seats. And let's look at the backup camera. Yeah, resolution's kind of poor, but it's whatever. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.